I know what you're thinking. Look at the pretty pool over there with the little waterfall and everything. People are walking around, enjoying themselves at the pool today. And look up in the sky. It's nice weather. The sun's not too hot. It's not burning at the pool. It's just an enjoyable scene. It's time for rest. It's time for relaxation. It's time to chill out. It's just time to unwind and just take it easy. But nothing could be further from the truth for me because I'm on a different mission that people don't know about. It's these birds. As I told you once, and I'm going to continue to say it, birds get on my nerves. They just do. And there is a particular bird that I will reveal to you in time when you are ready to find out. I know that this little waterfall here looks great. I want to sit there. I wish I was there. Where is this guy at? I wish I could meet him. But no, you will not meet me yet. And that is not going to happen because I had to keep my identity secret. Because there are birds here. And I seen some yesterday. And I've already got them under surveillance. So just remember what I told you. Stay focused, people. Till the next time.